I'm always on the lookout for hacks where you can save space by dual purposing, and this brush hack is a good example of that. Right, I'm sure you've all seen these flat format dustpan and brush sets, which are ideal for camper vans because the shape makes them very easy to store. They're flat, they clip together, and of course you can hang them on the inside of the door without taking up too much space, and there's broom companions to go with these. But why have a broom when you've already got a brush? What I've done is I've hot glued on a tube on the end of the handle in which rods fit, and they can then form the long handle. So they're in two parts with a joiner in the middle, joined together. And there I've got a dual purpose brush head, uses for a dustpan and brush set, but also a broom, brooming away in the van there, no problem. And of course they break down, they fit nicely inside my door, it takes up virtually no space at all. Now I happen to have those pipes hanging around, but what you can use is 21.5mm overflow pipe, which you can get from B&Q, Screwfix, things like that, and there's fittings to join them together as well. And I actually might change mine out because mine's just a little bit flexible. So there you go, a really simple hack where you can dual purpose the brush to turn it into a broom as well. After the obligatory like and subscribe screen, I will put information about the overflow pipe you can get from B&Q if you want to do the same, along with the joiner fittings.